I need you to stop overcomplicating making money with UV printers. Wow. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 products that you can make with the Eufymake E1 that will sell. And more importantly, hear me here guys, I'm gonna show you how to position them so people will actually want to buy them, because that's where most people miss it. Everything in this video is like so practical, so please take notes on the marketing. I promise it will help you. When I learned this, it changed my life. A big thank you to Eufymake for sponsoring this video and making it possible. And as always, I have this printer in the links below if you would like to check it out. So project 1, it's simple but powerful. Balls, but not just any balls. Custom golf balls. Hear me out and listen to the marketing. On the surface, this is just about as basic as it gets. You take a golf ball, you print a name on it, and you're done. But that's not where the value is. So the way I am holding this golf ball is with this ink cartridge packaging. In the middle of this video, Eufymake just made an update for the auto detect contours. So we are going to pull a design over. Watch when I put it inside of this golf ball. It automatically adjusts for wherever the mask is at. The value is in identity. Please pay attention to this. Wow, 2 minutes for that. That is fantastic. Instead of just throwing a random name on here, I'm tying this into something people actually care about. In this case, a Texas A&M theme. You've got the logo, the name, maybe even a number or a phrase like gig 'em. Now you've taken a basic product and connected it to pride. I hope you just caught that, friends. And people pay for that. And you're not selling a golf ball anymore. You're selling something that represents who they are. That changes everything. And if you look on Etsy, they actually make golf ball jigs for bulking, which I do recommend. Now, I don't have one in this video, but I am using an egg carton. As far as marketing, now you know exactly who you are selling to. Alumni, dads, weekend golfers, people who rep their school hard. That's your audience. This is the kind of product that spreads because people share it. So a simple product, a strong identity, and you will see consistent sales if you work it. The best way I found for printing on these balls are 1 layer of white, 2 layers of CMYK, and 1 layer of gloss varnish. People would love to put this on a mantle somewhere, and you could get like a little stand for it. I mean, these are just so cool. Do not sleep on these. And for your bonus tip, stealth marketing, hear this guys, once you make your prints, take your phone, take a picture and a short video and post it on Facebook showing the completed product. Don't say for sale. I mean, that's boring. Come on. Say this. I am having such a blast making these for fans. More people will interact with that post and want what you're selling. And that type of post, that energy there is the best stealth marketing that you will ever do. And for project 2, brass coins. These are one of the most overlooked products you can make. When people see a coin, it feels valuable. It has weight, presence, and meaning, and that's exactly how you want your products to feel. Now, there are many directions you can go here. Faith-based designs, milestone coins, or the ones like I have here, sobriety, anniversaries, or even business achievements. Commemorative, right? I'm reading my script. Commemorative, there we go. Event coins. You can get these on Amazon for a reasonable price. Now, the ones I'm making here, just like I said, are sobriety coins, which I made directly with a built-in AI. We just printed another challenge coin, and this turned out fantastic. Now, the first one we did was still cool, but the colors on this one is just a little bit more vibrant, more stuff going on. But every time I print something with this machine, it's cool that you see it on the screen, but what you actually get and hold in your hand, there's no feeling like it. This is so cool. And the key idea is this, catch it. People don't throw coins away. They keep them, they carry them, they come back to them. That's a completely different level of product. I know people that just carries, I mean, I don't personally carry coins, but so many people out there do. Like, I'm telling you guys, it's a thing. And by the way, what I'm doing here to elevate one of the flat prints is sealing it with UV glue. The UV print is great, especially following up with a gloss, but that clear coat gives it a crazy gloss finish that protects the print even more. That small step makes a big difference when you're charging more. I'm gonna quit nerding out on you, but from a marketing standpoint, don't sell this as a decoration. Sell it as something meaningful, something tied to a moment. Did you catch it? A year sober, a memory, a belief. Now you're not selling metal. You're selling something people attach value to. And for your bonus tip, every craft room could benefit from an air purifier with a carbon filter. The Eufymake E1 has a built-in carbon filter, but you still sometimes can smell something faint there. And they also just released this exhaust fan kit. I'm trying to hide my address because there's some creepers out here on the internet. So anyway, they just came out with this, so you guys be sure to check out this fan kit. And guys, no matter what UV printer you have, having a decent air purifier in the room that pulls out VOCs is a great insurance policy. For the price, nerd alert here, I'm all into air purifiers. The Winx air purifiers are the best bang for the buck in my opinion. Just be careful of those cool air purifiers that charge an arm and a leg for filters. And project 3, it's simple, but glass jars. And hear me out, guys, hear me out. Glass products live in people's homes. They're visible, they're used daily. For design, you can put something like mom's kitchen or grandma's recipe jar. Do something busy or something minimal and simple, but more importantly, something that feels like it belongs. These products leans heavily into gifting, weddings, housewarming gifts, families, moms. People love personalized home items. Bundle it, do a set of 3, do a set of 5, maybe different labels or sizes, add recipe cards or clean packaging. Now it's not just a jar, it's a gift. And that jump in perceived value is what allows you to charge more without making things more complicated. I put a leather patch design on here. And if you were to hold this in your hand, I mean, everything is like crazy, ultra realistic, even down to the white stitching. There is something about the AI generated leather patches with the white stitching. I mean, it's just so cool. Wow. For Project 4 journals, look at the way this one come out. And listen guys, this one is seriously underrated, please hear me. On paper, it's just a notebook, right? But in reality, it's much more than that. People don't buy journals for paper. They buy them for what they represent: a fresh start, discipline, growth, direction. Your design needs to match that. You can go bold with a motivational quote like "give yourself time," or something simple like a date and a name. Think faith-based, business-focused, fitness-focused, or something a little more nerdy. I don't know, a Lord of the Rings design. Okay guys, we have the mini journal on the printing bed and the latest update to the beta software. Look at how accurate this is getting. I'm gonna place it right inside of here and it just snapped in. That contour is amazing. Now we can see right here, this is going to take around 33 minutes. I did make this a very high raised texture print, and obviously the higher you go, the more ink you're gonna use. Common math, right? Wow. Guys, I may have discovered my new favorite project. Even some of the gold dust that was over here on the design come over here. Wow. So amazing. I don't see that coming off. That is too cool. A lot of you are probably wondering if this will scratch off. I'm not gonna scratch this so crazy hard, but as I get to the edges right here and peel, I mean, I'm putting some pressure on there, bending my fingernails, and that's still not coming off. And I would be comfortable with sliding this in and out of a bag, but so far, guys, come on, this is amazing. Now catch this, it's the marketing angle. The key is to sell it to a specific mindset. Don't just say custom journal for sale, say who it's for. Someone who is building discipline, someone who is starting a business, someone who is trying to get their life together, or someone who just wants to be a dork. I mean, this is not really dork-like, but I'm into antiquity, I'm into everything, guys, but when you speak directly to that person, it connects, I'm telling you. I don't think you're ready. You're not ready. Turn it into a system. Bundle the journal with a pen. And if you bundle your journals with a pen, let me challenge you, don't go so cheap. I got this here on Temu for about $8 when you open it up. It has a pen, has a nice box, and everything about this screams premium. Imagine getting a pen, then imagine getting something that opens up like this. I mean, you just made someone's day. My day's made just opening. I mean, it's just so cool. I'm a nerd. I personally, I'm not a flower dude, but most people will be flower people, and you know what I'm saying, just do the design that they like. But I got these journals from Lone Star Adhesive, and if you are into laser engraving, UV printing, these are like $7 and something, guys, and they are better quality than anything on Amazon, I promise you, and I've used them a lot. An influencer alert, so you can receive 10% off by inputting this code right here. So I will post my affiliate link below. Even if you don't use it, go check them out and get you some. They're amazing. Moving on to project 5 and the last one, and perhaps my favorite, acrylic signs. If you want something with a higher ticket potential, this is it. On top of all the acrylic that you can buy from other websites, you can also cut out your own if you have a laser. I just used my X-Tool P3 and cut out this piece of clear acrylic. Now you guys get the idea here, and you can do so many amazing things. I mean, think about putting people's names on here, their logo, and a stained glass effect. That is sell right there. There's another idea, and the built-in software is going to generate it for you within 2 minutes. That's pretty awesome. Tech is getting a lot easier. Acrylic has that clean, modern, professional look right away. You can create business logos, QR code signs, which I have here, wedding signage. This is where you start stepping into more serious orders, and the biggest advantage here is local marketing. And speaking of local, I made this for a coffee shop. I called the marketing manager of this coffee shop. They sent this graphic over, and I just slapped it on this acrylic, and the software actually made it very easy with a new contour fit. And let me tell you guys this, instead of just posting online and waiting, go to them, make a sample like this, walk in, show them what you can do. And so you don't think I'm completely full of crap, we're here at the coffee shop, and I'm about to hand this off to my buddy Chase. He is the marketing manager of this coffee shop. This is the first time that he has seen these. So here you go.
Dude, this is amazing. These look so good. I don't know if I have a favorite.
They need this attached to a goal and purpose. People pay for their coffee over here. They're gonna come and then scan this, and it's gonna take them somewhere. This is what a practical interaction looks like. You establish rapport and relationship with people in management, and the word is social equity with people. I'm gonna toss the ball to Chase for your bonus tip.
So what I would say is, you know, at least one person who you could approach and say, hey, can I do one of these for you for free? Ask what their biggest problem is. Ask them, what problem can you help solve? Then you can step your foot in and offer the solution, which in turn is going to be something like this. In exchange for a testimonial, a few photos, hey guys, I did this for so-and-so, more than happy to do it for you guys as well. And that's how you can kind of blow the thing up.
What'd you say, Chase?
Word of mouth is the greatest form of marketing.
The word of mouth is the greatest form of marketing. Hundreds and hundreds of people this week is going to see the stained glass print right here, printed with a Eufymake E1 printer. Chase is a public speaker. He's an author. Disney World hired him to come be the keynote. He wrote a book called The Garden of Greatness. It is one of the most encouraging things you will ever read. I will drop a link below to this. Go pick it up. I promise you it will help you so much in your journey with entrepreneurship. You guys, take this to heart. I'm telling you, go do this. Get out of your comfort zone. I mean, people's over here. It's a little weird for me to film this. I mean, go in there, take up space, own your space that you're in. I promise you, you can do this, and you are going to put money back in your pockets. And when something helps a business to make money, they're willing to pay more for it. Get up off your rear end and market yourself. You got this, guys. I know that's strong. I know it is, but at the end of the day, none of this is complicated. The people making money with these machines aren't chasing complexity. They're taking simple products and positioning them in the right way. But for this right here, for everything I'm doing, I would slap probably a price tag of about $25 a piece on these. That may be expensive to some of you, but when you walk in and you show up boldly in that coffee shop or wherever you're at, people will pay this. I'm giving these away because I know they're going to come back and it's going to put money in my pocket and it benefits them. Catch it. And so far, guys, my heart to yours, the Eufymake E1 here has been absolutely phenomenal. If you would like to check it out, I will post my affiliate links below. And thank you guys so dang much for your support. It really does mean the world for me. I could not do it without you. And so if you do choose to go with Eufymake, I will always try to have the best price below. And I will end with this, guys. Don't sleep on anything that I've showed you. I mean, there is so much stuff that you can do, and it's simple. I'm not trying to do anything crazy out there that just looks amazing, because at the end of the day, people want pens. They want these little mini journals. I mean, who gets journals and does this? I haven't seen any journals online, maybe just probably 2 or 3. What about the mini ones? Do something simple, but do the simple extraordinarily well, and you will make money. And if this helped you in any way, I ask that you like and subscribe. That would help me out tremendously, guys. I'm not here just to waste all your time. I really want you to get value from me and the things I do. I'm just living my life out loud here. Thank you, guys. Subscribe, please. I appreciate you guys.